Should I fix my boat or should I sell it? I don't know, but I gotta find out soon. But I've had problems with the outdrive, and I don't know whether to fix it or to sell it, but I need this boat. Selling real estate on Lake Martin, I mean, it's a huge part of the business. It's a huge part of what I do. I actually do need a boat for my work, but I'm at that funny spot where I don't know whether to fix it, have it fixed, or sell it. Like I said, it's been a great boat. It's a perfect size for us. I mean, it's 22 feet long, so for Lake Martin, that's, I think, a perfect size to kind of have enough capacity, but also be able to ride the waves. And I use it all the time in my business, checking out property and taking pictures and videos and touring people around. So it's a big decision for me. I love this boat. I would hate to have to sell it and buy another one, but it may be time to let it go. I'm just kind of holding my breath to see what the mechanics say and let me know. Okay, like I said, I'm not a boat guy and I'm gonna say all kind of wrong things here. But here's the outdrive part of the motor, and they got like an upper and lower unit. And so what my boat mechanics are telling me is it was shifting crazy. So like when I'd be in neutral and I'd bump it into forward or reverse, it would pause and then go ba-bunk and then bump into gear. And again, knowing nothing about boats, what I'm hearing is that I may have some leaks in the seals here, and water is leaking in here and causing it to shift funny. And if the seals aren't bad, then that means they're gonna have to replace this whole unit, the upper and the lower unit, which can be a really expensive repair. Otherwise, even though it's a 2006, I love the boat. It does great, it's in great shape. So that's the big conundrum is, do I fix it or do I sell it? Because, you know, selling a boat is fun, but could I justify buying a new one, or at least a new to me one? I don't know. So that's what I'm here at Elliott City Marine to try to figure out. So I think what they're gonna try to do first is to test the seals, and I'm hoping and praying it's the seals. That's a lot easier to repair. But if it's not the seals, then I will have a decision to make. If anybody has any opinions on this or has done this sort of repair, please let me know in the comments how it went for you and some things to watch for, because like I said, even though I love boats and I'm in and out of them all the time on Lake Martin, I know nothing about the mechanics of it. I'm totally, just totally helpless when it comes to this. So any comments y'all might have to let me know what to look for, I'd appreciate it.